So today's video is a little bit about free-flighted bird and how is it like to live with free-flighted birds. So the bird's behind me in this cage here, her name is Pika. She's just eating and drinking right now. I'll let her out after she finishes. And today's my day off, so I have her out 24/7, and basically she was, running things, doing her own thing, and how to respond to it. A lot of people are curious because most people keep birds in cages, and more and more people starting to keep birds outside, free flight them, and let them run around the house. Obviously, before you do that, you need to make sure your bird bond with you properly. You also need to make sure you have taught your bird rules and boundaries of where the house is accessible, what kind of stuff they cannot destroy, and have to make sure that the bird actually know come when call. Just kind of like a dog, right? If you can't just get a dog and expect it to not destroy a house and leave the house and have them all well behaved, you have to kind of teach them throughout times. Now Pika is only 1 year is only 3 months. So she's quite young. I've been having her for more than half a year now. I would like to say 7-8 months or so. So for the first month or two, we're basically just doing rules. And then after that, we start teaching her flying because she still hasn't really flight trained it because she was in the pet store. And they obviously, just like most pet stores, they keep them in cages. They never flight train her. So she flight trained within 2 months or so. And then before Christmas, she was basically, free to go around the house, and I trust her for it. She's also potty trained, which makes life easier. Okay, I better stop talking, jump right into the video and show you what we usually do at home. This is a realistic video, there's no cut to it, and I hope you enjoy.
The music is here. Believe me, I saw it. I don't know. Just take her away. Pika. Now. For all else. Pika. Say the crosses. Pika. Come, baby. Put us out. Come, baby. Close your eyes and free. Let yourself stay blind.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Trust me, monsieur. Don't let her sing. Once it gets into her soul, there's nothing she won't do for you. Leave this place behind.
Miss Sherry! Miss Sherry! He's not Mephistopheles, when it comes down to it. He's just another circus freak. I'm not afraid of him. Come, you're not afraid of me. Stay back or I'll kill you, I promise you.
Listen, boy, you think you own more of her soul than I do.
She is my wife. Your music may speak to her.
No towels? Okay.
But her heart is always following me.
How about pens?
You may follow you with all your charms. Look at you, deep in debt, stinking drunk, pitiful. Shall we two make a bet? Devil take the hindmost.
Look at you, foul as sin.
Good bird.
Horrible. Call the stakes. Deal me in. Devil take the hindmost.
Christine shall choose tonight.
Let her
Is
choose.
she yours or mine?
From mine.
If she sings, you lose
I
tonight.
won't lose.
You leave from here,
Fine.
disappear.
Fine. And if she won't, if I win,
All your debts right away.
very well. Let's begin. Devil take the hindmost. You have the odds. You think you're here. You think you fix the dice. But I lightly roll. A bet against the house. I travel down.
It has redesigned.
Swines on my side. I want to let go. I never play. Then I
You
will
and I,
now. I want
once
her
again.
You guys want to see where she is?
The game is done away. Devil take the hindmost. Now Christine shall choose that pass. Is she yours
She's
or
bugging cello.